Hi! So this is a video to let you know that if you want to learn how this illustration was done, I have a 40-minute tutorial on my website for subscribers that will show you all the techniques and how to go about creating something like this. I think it is a very good method to get you learning much faster, and just face it, you have to practice in order to learn. Instead of guessing, just take a tutorial like this, repeat it. Now, for those of you taking the challenge and really getting involved into it and taking action, what I've done is Facebook group where you can ask me for extra help, and I can give you my advice. And if you decide to take the challenge and complete your own artwork, it can be this image, it can be any other, post it in the Facebook group. And what I'm going to be doing is sharing my source file with you so you can compare and see a little bit, the techniques more in depth. This is about learning, not about creating a gallery of artwork. So yeah, that's it.